Внутри Бельфора, в Брюгге.
He is our protector. So since this tour is about the legends and the urban legends and all these kinds of things, I have to say, well, legends are legends and always so believable, but the legend of this bear and how he became the protector of the land.
House Museum.
Brewery. This symbol on their brewery with the half moon, but actually that comes from Ludwig van Bruges, who used to be the original hops mafia guy. He controlled 1,600 bars here during the Middle Ages. Charged them all tax. He taxed every boat coming up. So this would be the old pharmacy here. And this was, as I said, active for over 700 years. And all the jars, still we're using the same jars with everything written in Latin. You can go in there and see them if you have the museum pass. And what's really interesting are the paintings of each and every pharmacist that they had at that time.
Вид с моста в Брюгге. Каналы, лебеди. Экскурсии. Церковь Бегинажа в Брюгге. На канале в Брюгге.
A lot of Belgium. There is one place in the canal where you're supposed to.
У канала в Брюгге.
Drink a beer made in Bruges. I suggest this brewery over the other one. I don't get a headache from beer here.
Сити Холл, Брюгге. Это бург города Брюгге. Это их городской совет. Это окружающие здания. Брюгге. Картина Микеланджело, скульптура Микеланджело в Брюгге, в церкви. Рыночная площадь в Брюгге. Рыночная площадь в Брюгге.